Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about basic firearm safety when it comes to cleaning and working with our firearms in general. As you can see here, we don't have any ammunition for the .45 long Colt. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to pick up the firearm, and on this, we're just going to open up this loading gate here. Open that towards the camera. And we're just going to free spin the cylinder. Now this is a single action, and most single actions will let you free spin. Now if you, on your Blackhawk, it may be an older model, you may have to actually physically quarter cock the hammer. But we're just going to free spin the cylinder here. We're going to make sure there's no rounds in the cylinder. And it's a 6-shot, but I spin it double just to make sure that I haven't overlooked anything. And I can see that I haven't got any. And you just want to remember that we want to keep these firearms pointed in a safe direction. We know that there's no ammunition here, but treat every firearm as if it's loaded. But since we don't know, or we know that this is not a loaded firearm, as we just checked, we're going to go ahead and we're going to move towards our first step in disassembly.